আসসালামু আলাইকুম। বৈশ্বিক করোনা পরিস্থিতিতে সবাই সচেতন হই, সুস্থ থাকি। একান্ত প্রয়োজন না হলে আমরা কেউ বাইরে যাব না। ঢাকা জেলার নবাবগঞ্জ উপজেলাধীন খানিপুর উচ্চ বিদ্যালয়ের সকল শিক্ষার্থী, সম্মানিত অভিভাবক ও সংশ্লিষ্ট সকলকে শ্রেণী পাঠদানের বিকল্প অনলাইন ক্লাসে স্বাগতম জানাচ্ছি। আমাদের সকলের সম্মিলিত প্রচেষ্টায় আমরা এগিয়ে যাব এবং নির্ধারিত লক্ষ্যে পৌঁছে যাব ইনশাআল্লাহ। আসুন সবাই অংশ নেই খানিপুর উচ্চ বিদ্যালয়ের অনলাইন ক্লাসে।
Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Good morning, everybody. How are you? I think you are staying at home safely with your parents. During this COVID-19, you never go out without mask and maintaining social distance. Now, you have already known about our online class. I have already taken 3 classes with you for your better understanding during our leisure period. Now, you all are familiar with our online class through YouTube channel and Facebook. Today, you are welcome to my English grammar class. For your acquaintance, I am Muzaffar Ahmed, senior teacher, Khanepur High School. And today, follow some rules on the slide. Look and read the sentences. Here, I located you some sentences and activities with answer. I am a teacher, aren't I? You are good students, aren't you? Let's go to study, shall we? Every mother loves her child, don't they? He is not reading at this moment, is he? You may read about this sentence repeatedly. So, I think the very students from class 9 to 10 understand about my topics. Today, our topics is tag question. Understand? Okay. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to know what the tag question is, about auxiliary verb, about the rules of tag question, about the uses of tag question. So, be careful and attentive to my class. Look, here's a definition. A tag question is the question asked by the speaker to confirm the negative or affirmative statement during conversation. What is tag question? That means, what is tag question? Tag question is the question asked by speaker to confirm the negative or affirmative statement during conversation. Through a tag question, the speaker wants to have an answer in support of the statement. Here, if the statement is affirmative, the question tag is negative. That means tag question means opposite answer, asking something and give answer with opposite direction. They came here, didn't they? Here, they came here, sentence is positive, but in question tag, didn't they? Negative form. Its meaning negatively. Again, if the statement is negative, the question tag is also affirmative. If the statement is negative, the question tag is affirmative. Clear? Here you may clear your idea about the statement. If your statement will bring negative, then your tag question will be positive. If your question is affirmative, tag will be negative. Okay? There, they did not work. Negative idea. But in question tag, did the affirmative idea. Now, you may write down about these very important topics, about rules for your future preparation. Mainly, there are two kinds of auxiliary verb. They are primary and modal auxiliary. Primary auxiliary and modal auxiliary. Primary auxiliary are three kinds. They are to be, to have and do. These three kinds helping verb is called primary auxiliary. Here be verb means am, is, are, and its past form was, were. Have, to have verb, have, has and had. Do verb, do, does and did. Here different verbs, be verb, have and do. All these verbs set with adjust with subject. So, the primary auxiliary verbs sense according to subject. I am a boy. Here subject I, first person, and to be verb set as am. So, am for first person I. He is a boy. Here he, third person singular number. So, here is setted. That means is for he. Third person singular number. Understand? Okay. On the other hand, other side, modal auxiliary verbs are may, might, can, could, shall, should, will, would, must, ought to, need, etc. These very modals also used making tag question. This very verb, to have verb, modal auxiliary verb is called operator for making tag. The modal auxiliary verbs will not sense according to subject, where be verb, to have verb sense according to subject, but modals it need not. I can do the work. Here first person subject I. He can do the work. Here can also as modal seated, but subject third person singular number he. Here also can. That means modal need not set according to subject. Here very important some operators. To be verb, to have verb, modal will be seated with negative form. Am not, aren't for am not, isn't for is not, didn't for did not, haven't for have not, meant for may not, can't for cannot, couldn't for could not, etc. etc. I think you all are familiar with this chart about using operator. You may write down it. You can get this chart in your textbook also. EFT. Now, dear students, in the question tag, the subject will always be pronoun. All times in a question, subject will be pronoun. If the sentence has primary or modal auxiliary verb, the rule will be auxiliary verb and then subject. Firstly auxiliary verb and then subject. Here, follow it. I shall learn it, shan't I? Rohim is a good student, isn't he? Here Rohim is a noun, and for tag question we use pronoun, he. If the sentence has no auxiliary verb, we will use do, does and did. If the sentence has auxiliary verb, we will set according to our chart. But if there has no auxiliary verb, we set do, does or did according to tense and subject. Here I eat rice, don't I? He did not go to school yesterday, did he? Okay. Here eat is a main verb and is a simple present form. This is why we set do as our helping verb, operator. Here did not go to school, here did not, did past form. So here also set did, and as it is a negative sentence, our tag is made with positive sense. Now dear students, another point is very important for making tag question. Tag question is very easy. You may think very easy according to my previous discussion. But now, here are some words and slide for you. Tag question carry 5 marks for you in the exam. It is very easy to get 5 marks, you may think. But if you cannot use these very words in your sentence with meaning, you cannot get 5 marks. This is why most often 95 students cannot get 5 marks for tag question only for this use. Here never, rarely, scarcely, seldom, few, little, none, without, these very words express negative meaning. These words express negative meaning. If these words contained in a sentence, tag question will be positive. This is the fact. You may write down negative or positive without thinking about this word. You may give answer with your willing feelings. It may wrong idea. So remember this very important thing. He is seldom found at home. Here seldom is a negative form. So though you do not find any not, yet it brings negative meaning. Thus is he, isn't it? Is he. Okay. But a few, a little express positive meaning. Here few, little mean negative meaning, but here a few, a little express positive meaning. Very important. Students, note down this. There has a few bags. Here, a few. A few is bring negative or positive meaning. This is why hasn't there. Hasn't there? The jar had a little water. Didn't it a little? A little, so it's bring positive word, positive meaning. This is for negative meaning in text. Again, if the words such as nothing, anything, something, everything contained in a sentence, subject will be it. It is very important also. If you find nothing, anything, something, everything in your sentence, in a question tag, you will set it for as a pronoun for this word. Like this, nothing was done. Was it? Everything is our favor, isn't it? Here everything is pronoun it, nothing is pronoun it. Another side, if the words such as everybody, anybody, somebody, everyone, someone, anyone, nobody, none, etc. contained in a sentence, subject will be they. Then subject will be they. Here nothing, anything for it, but here they. Everybody hates a liar, don't they? Nobody went there, did they? Here, everybody hates, though hates has third person subject, but in text question, their pronoun set as this. This is why our operator set as do, not does, this way. I think our previous 3 very important slides was very important for you, and you have written down. If you need any help, call me or call our authority and take help. Now, dear students, it is very important also, if the sentence is imperative question tag, will be, if the sentence is imperative, your question tag will be will you, won't you, would you, can you, or can't you, any way. But I suggest only will you. Here exceptional let's for imperative sentence, let's is another way. If the imperative sentence start let us, the answer will be shall we. If your sentence carry let us or let's, the answer will be shall we. Open the door, will you? You may set won't you, would you, like this. Let us play cricket, shall we? Understand? I think this very simple way you can do it. Now, here are some sentences. You will complete the sentence with your thinking answer. Here, let's do the work. Give yourself what will the answer? What will the answer? Think yourself sometimes. Okay? I think you are thinking. Now, I help you to complete the answer. I think you are writing down on your notebook and trying your best. Here, let's do the work, shall we? Okay? I found a little water in the jug, didn't I? Rohim could play football. Could, here could, couldn't he? He killed a snake, didn't he? Let Rohim do the work. Will you? Nothing is eternal, is it? Here nothing is negative and its pronoun is it. So, is it? Everyone will despair, won't they? None can avoid death. Can they? I think you are messing with your khata and writing your answer. Correct it. If you make false, please correct it. Salam bought a few salt. Didn't he? You have few money. Have you? I think you are messing this with writing answer, and if you find any mistake, correct it. Mother drank few water. Did she? Have you written it? Okay. Now, I will give you some homework. These very sentences you can write down on your notebook and do it at home and show your class teacher or English subject teacher during your school period, and it will bring some extra facilities for you for better understanding and better marking. Your teacher must justify your notebook during your school period. Now, dear students, I think today's class about tag question is very important class. For a tag question, you will get 1 mark. For 5 sentences, you will get 5 marks. And it is very easy to make a tag question. Especially every student can write 3 sentences very easily. But for 2, need very carefully and deeply thinking about this. For this class, today's class, if you follow it carefully and can get good marks in your exam, and you can complete any grammatical item on tag question. So, thank you very much, students. Keep your home with your parents, maintaining World Health rules about health for COVID-19. Thank you very much, dear students. Thank you very much.